Many people use olive oil for cooking, but few are aware of the effects of drinking just 1 tablespoon before bed. If you're over 40 and struggling with digestion, inflammation, stubborn belly fat, or poor sleep, be sure to watch this video until the end. Extra virgin olive oil is more than just a source of fat. It is rich in polyphenols, oleic acid, and anti-inflammatory compounds that are most effective when your body is at rest. During the night, your body enters repair mode, digestion slows down, hormones recalibrate, and cells regenerate. This is the time when olive oil can effectively fulfill its role. After a few days of taking just 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil before bed, you will notice these key changes. Change number 1. Digestion improves. Many people notice reduced bloating, easier bowel movements, and less acid reflux within days. Olive oil gently lubricates the digestive tract and supports bile flow. Change number 2. Reduced inflammation and joint stiffness. Olive oil functions similarly to mild anti-inflammatory agents. Many individuals report less morning stiffness and diminished discomfort, particularly in the knees and hips. Change number 3. Improved sleep quality. Healthy fats help maintain stable blood sugar levels overnight. This leads to fewer midnight awakenings and deeper sleep. Many people are surprised to learn that drinking olive oil at night may help reduce stubborn belly fat over time. While it doesn't burn fat immediately, it can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation that hinders fat loss. Another observation is that many individuals report experiencing clearer skin and increased energy in the morning. If you want to try this, here's how to do it properly. Use only extra virgin olive oil. Start with 1 teaspoon and gradually increase to 1 tablespoon. Take it 30 minutes before bedtime. Optionally, you can mix in a few drops of fresh lemon juice. If you have gallbladder issues or are taking medications, please consult your doctor first. This isn't a miracle cure, but for many people, this tiny habit could make a huge difference. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried olive oil like this. And if you want more simple habits that support your health naturally, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video.